Hey everyone, welcome to my 2021 Christmas home tour. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Here is a look at my entryway table, or I guess this is technically a buffet, not a table. Really simple, just some bottle brush trees. And this table I have some faux greenery with some little berries and pine cone sticks. I kind of want to find some more to make this a little fuller looking. All right, and we are gonna move on into the living room. And I will actually just start with the tree. So we do get a real Christmas tree, and this is probably my favorite tree I've done in this house so far. Since we moved into this house 3 years ago, I've just been collecting some different ornaments that I like. I go for a lot of silver and gold, and then what I've realized I really like to do is kind of just change up the color scheme every year using ribbon. My Christmas ribbon collection is ridiculous. I just find so many beautiful ribbons and they're always cheap, so I just stock up on them. It's a really good, cheap way to elevate your tree, that's for sure. What's kind of interesting is I actually really don't like the color red, but I decided this year I'm gonna do red as my main color with the silver gold and some navy blue accents. I put these large poinsettia picks in here this year. These are new from Hobby Lobby. Got a bow up there with my wicker star. And then I do have a few like personal ornaments scattered throughout here as well. And then I did just get this new tree skirt. So I do not have a problem, luckily, with my cats trying to climb the tree. I know that is a thing. But this one here loves to just lay under it and remind us all he is a gift. But otherwise, I have no real problems with them messing up my tree. I think he just likes to lay under here because it's super cozy and soft. All right, and then moving on, I think this is the first time I am sharing a living room update in quite a while. Over the summer, I did spend some time doing some projects in my living room, which includes these two built-in shelves in the corner. So those are new. They're not perfect, they still need a little bit of work. I need to get some hardware for them. But overall, I am very proud of my work. I did these all by myself. There are IKEA Billy shelves tucked in the middle, like that's what that is. And then I just built up around them. So I've just got a few different items in here for Christmas. Like I said, they still need a little bit of work with the holes and patching, and I have plans to put some wallpaper in the back of them. A lot of my decor is thrifted. That Virgin Mary has been with me a long time. She needs a little paint makeover. I think I'm actually going to do that shortly. I'm gonna paint her, I think, all pure gold with my gold foiling paint. And then over to my sofa, I pulled out some of my wintry Christmas pillow covers, and recently we did acquire this coffee table, which I feel like just works in this space better than the old one I had was a round one. It is beat, it needs some help, but I got it on Facebook Marketplace for a good price, so probably this spring is when I will get to it. I'll give it a nice little paint or stain makeover. I like to keep my coffee table really clean. I don't like a lot of clutter on it. So I have this little faux pine tree guy, some coasters, and my little chinoiserie holder here. I keep all my essentials in here. I also painted the room green. It was previously gray. I really love the green so much. I added the chair rail around the entire room as well. And I still have plans to do some really cool picture frame molding up here.
And this like matte picture I thought I loved when I got it a couple years ago, but I really don't. So that's gonna go, and I'll probably do like a gallery style collage incorporated in the picture frame molding. Over here on these little tiny side tables on each side of the couch are also new. Those are from Ballard Designs from the Black Friday sale. They are smaller than I anticipated, but I like the style of them, and I think even though they're small, they still work well in the space. And here is the decor on my other shelf. Everything's still kind of coming together. Most of this stuff is thrifted or secondhand. I think everything here except the little trees are thrifted. I need to get a picture in that frame. And moving on over here, this piece of furniture I have dragged around with me through like 3 different houses and have never utilized it. It is actually an altar from a church. I finally kind of put it to use. It's gonna be like an extra little desk space. And then the footstool from the sofa is just under there for now. And over here, I just have this white and gold Christmas tree. And then on each of my French doors, I have these olive branch wreaths that I always like to decorate seasonally. So I have some Christmas ribbon and little pine cones on them this year. And then here's our little TV console stand, whatever you want to call it, fireplace. So that's my Christmas decor in my living room, as well as a little update on the projects I've done since I've last shared. And now we will move into the dining area and the kitchen. So I will start with the dining area. For centerpiece, I just took this kind of urn looking vase that I had, took some clippings from my tree and added these little stupid Dollar Tree cranberry looking things. And I think it turned out great. I really love it actually. And over to this other side where I keep my china cabinet. I made this sign a few years ago to hang outside, but I feel like it's kind of small for like a porch sign. It just doesn't look the best outside. So I tried hanging it on here. I need to put like a little tooth hanger thing on the back of it so I can hang it from the wood and not that little hanger thing. And I think I want to switch out the bow too. I don't know if I love it here. I just stuck it there for now. I think the next furniture piece I want to buy is a bar cart for this corner, like a nice round one with gold detailing. So I can set up a little bar cart area there. And then here is my china cabinet. Up on the top, I have some topiaries, and as you can see, one of them is missing. These wicker looking pots and a painting I did. Can't really see it. It's like a Christmas train, but I kind of just thought it was like a nice backdrop. Like I said, a lot of my stuff is thrifted, and I have yet to take the stupid price tags off. I know, I feel so lazy that I haven't done that yet, but it's like such an ordeal because they never just peel off. You have to soak them, you have to scrape them, it's like a whole thing. So that's why I really just haven't gotten around to it yet. I also don't know how I feel about that Christmas tree sign in the back. I didn't have anywhere to put it, I just threw it back there. One of my next projects actually is going to be to paint the inside of this cabinet. When I first got this, I made a video about it, and I asked everybody like, should I paint this? And everyone's like, no, don't paint it. And so I haven't, and I'm pretty glad I didn't. I'm really appreciating the wood finish on it now, but it is so dark, so it's hard to see all of my trinkets and stuff in here, so I am gonna do a pop of white, not like a pure white, but like creamy white on the inside, so that is to come. Probably gonna do that next week. And then moving on to my kitchen and kitchen island, I really didn't do anything on my island this year. I always just end up moving whatever's on here anyway, so I'm like, whatever. I just have my little Christmas cactus here. I don't think I'm gonna get any blooms out of it this year. It did get neglected a little bit over some of the summer and fall months. And then over in my kitchen area, I don't have a whole lot either. Some dishes drying because it's real life, at least I did them. Got some Christmas soap. I got my Christmas napkin curtains. Well, I guess they're not Christmas, but the plaid. They are a little wrinkly and need to probably have a little tumble in the dryer. The last video I posted was a decorate with me type of video for this cocoa coffee station I did. And then I also have these glittery simple wreaths on my doors out to the porch. I think these came from Walmart a couple years ago. And then I just added the satin ribbon to that.
Alrighty, and now we are gonna move upstairs and I'm gonna show you guys my office slash craft room slash beauty room and my master bathroom. I'm not gonna talk all the way through it. I'll just let you guys enjoy all the visuals. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or it inspired you, and hit that subscribe button for more home decor videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching my Christmas home tour for 2021. I hope you are all having a great holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video.
I love this boy. I love this boy. He's so good. He's so good.